California. The National Weather Service.
Wait, domino. There you go.
¿Lo viste como cuánto queda?
County, San Diego, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for north central San Diego County in southwestern California until 7:15 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to impact Valley Center and Rincon and streams to Escondido Creek. Radar detects 1 to 1.5 inches of rain within 2 hours duration, and this is confirmed on ground reports up to 0.75 per hour. Showers will continue over the general region through 7 p.m. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pomona, Valley Center, Fallbrook, Escondido, Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Agenga, Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Road, Highway 79 between Santa Isabel and Warner Springs, Lake Henshaw, Palomar Mountain State Park, and S7, East Great Road. Ventura County in southwestern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Lockwood Valley area. Rainfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour has been estimated by radar. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly along Lockwood Valley Road. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lockwood Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Service in Las Vegas has issued a dust storm warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, east central San Bernardino County in southern California, south central Clark County in southern Nevada until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 9:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from 7 miles south of Golden Valley to near Arizona Village, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, trained weather spotters indicated near zero visibility. Winds over 50 miles per hour have also been reported near the dust storm. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arizona between mile markers 0 and 9, and between mile markers 24 and 34. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 129 and 155. Locations in Texas include Bullhead City, Laughlin, Topop, Yucca, Catherine Landing, Needles, Oakland, Mojave Ranch Estates, Mojave Valley, Big Bend Wreck Area, Highway 95 and I-40, Mesquite Creek, Arizona Village, Golden Valley and Willow Valley. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull tight, stay alive. If on or near Lake Mojave, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northern Ventura County in southwestern California until 4:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Ventura County mountains over Lockwood Valley. Radar precipitation estimates indicated 1.00 inch of rain in 20 minutes. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lockwood Valley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Listening to NOAA Weather Radio. California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flood warning for the Mojave River near Victorville. At 9 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 8.5 feet. No flooding is occurring. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. At 16.0 feet, significant lows reach farming areas north of Victorville. Minor flooding of farmland adjacent to the riverbed can be expected in Oro Grande. Some local erosion to the levels in Hesperia and Victorville is possible. Rock Springs Road may be overtopped and closed to traffic in Hesperia. Oxnard has issued a flood warning for the Ventura River at Foster Park until 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday, January 7, 2019. Minor flooding is occurring at 8 a.m. Thursday. The stage was 19/.1 for flood stage, 17.6 feet impact. At 19.1 feet, Ventura River begins to flood the Ventura Beach RV Park near Highway 1, Ohio 1. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather Radio. A special marine warning for the following inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, until 5:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 13 nautical miles west of Point Vicente, or 16 nautical miles west of Rancho Palos Verde, moving northeast at 30 knots. This thunderstorm will likely approach the coast between Redondo Beach and Santa Monica. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Marina del Rey, Santa Monica, Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach, and Hermosa Beach. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the Woolsey and the fire-burn areas in east central Ventura County in southwestern California, west central Los Angeles County in southwestern California, until 12:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:21 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, radar and rain gauge date indicated heavy rain entering the warned area. Flash flooding along with mud and debris flows are expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include the Pacific Coast Highway between Deer Creek Road to Malibu, Malibu Canyon and Los Virgenes Road through the Santa Monica Mountains, Keenan Dune Road through the Santa Monica Mountains, and other areas near and within the Woolsey and Hill Fire areas. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the forecast location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Today, cloudy with showers. Highs in the mid-50s to around 60. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Captain Canyon Campground, or 27 miles south of Baker, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs and trees. Trucks and automobiles on Interstate 40 should be prepared for strong crosswinds. Locations impacted include Redlow. This includes Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 38 and 74. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Santa Barbara County in southwestern California, southeastern San Luis Obispo County in southwestern California until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of California Valley and just south of Soda Lake, and it is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts, heavy downpours, and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crema, Graybar Plain, Soda Lake, and Highway 166. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the mountains in north central Ventura County in southwestern California and northeastern Santa Barbara County in southwestern California until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:08 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a cluster of strong and nearly stationary thunderstorms extending across the mountains in northern Ventura County from the Santa Barbara County line to Frazier Park. Very heavy rain is occurring with these storms, and flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that could experience flooding include Lockwood Valley, Frazier Mountain, Ventucopa, Highway 33, Highway 166, Lockwood Valley Road, Frazier Mountain Park Road, and County Valley Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Sorry for the mountains in north central. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the Woolsey and Ilburn areas, including all of the Santa Monica Mountains in southeast Ventura County in southwestern California and southwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving into the warned area. Rainfall rates as high as 0.40 inch in 5 minutes will be possible. Flash flooding and debris flows is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Thousand Oaks, Camarillo, Malibu, Under Hills, Newberry Park, Pacific Palisades, Topanga State Park, West Lake Village, Malibu Creek State Park. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. A flash flood warning outside of recent burn areas means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect the Whittier and Ventura County portion of the world. The flood watch continues to the promise. Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the Woolsey burn area in east central Ventura County in southwestern California and west central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 7:38 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain falling across the Rosie Burn area in eastern Ventura County and western Los Angeles County. Rainfall rates in excess of a quarter inch in 15 minutes and 0.40 inch in 30 minutes have been observed across the Los Angeles County portion of the Rosie Burn area. Flash flooding and debris flows are expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Thunder Hills, Westlake Village, and Calabasas. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location from the weather radio station KW37, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Operated by the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the Thomas Burn area in western Ventura County in southwestern California, southeastern Santa Barbara County in southwestern California until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:04 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rain with rates up to near 0.20 inches in 7 minutes about to move into the Thomas Burn area. Flash flooding and debris flows are expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include the Thomas Burn area, including Montecito. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows.
Santa Clara, PA, Spinnaker, PA, Santa Cruz, PA, Monterey, PA, Smith, PA, Clara, PA, Fresno, PA, Kings, PA, Kern, PA, Santa Barbara, PA, Detroit, PA, and Los Angeles, PA, beginning at 2:03 p.m. Wednesday, July 10th, and at 2:03 Emergency Service, CA, Alameda, CA, San Benito, CA, San Joaquin, CA, San Luis Obispo, CA, Santa Clara, CA, Spinnaker, CA, Santa Cruz, CA, Monterey, CA, West, CA, Monterey, CA, Fresno, CA, Kings, CA, Quebec, CA, Santa Barbara, CA, Detroit, CA, and
Los Angeles, CA, beginning at 2:03 p.m. Wednesday, July 10th and ending at 2:03 p.m. Thursday, July 11th. An ad alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol of the Paso Robles Police Department on July 2, 2019 at 9:15. North DIX was abducted from Paso Robles. The suspect was last North DIX 2012 Reggie Cherokee. California license plate number is a 23-year-old female, standing property in Burlington, weighing 164 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The second suspect, Sabrina Bullock, is a 50-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2012 Jeep Cherokee with California license plate number 6XKD235. If seen, call 911.
I'm Deborah Marsh.
This is an FCC-required monthly test on the emergency alert system. It is being done in conjunction with a NOAA radio test of the National Tsunami Warning System. If this were an actual tsunami warning, the National Weather Service would instantly broadcast this information. Areas of the impending hazard. This is only a test. This concludes the required monthly test of the embedded forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles. Friday night service will broadcast this information. NOAA Weather Radio. Areas of the impending hazard. This is only a test forecast. This concludes the required monthly test of the embedded forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles. Low tide through Sundays. High NOAA Radio. The lowest recurring time is 10:32 p.m. Extended forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles.